Good morning, teachers. Have you ever completed a lesson and the assessment was not a true indication of what you taught? Maybe it was a county assessment and it was outdated. Today we'll create a quiz you can tailor to your lesson utilizing Google Forms and Google Classroom. Google Form is a free Google app we'll use to make an assessment or a quiz in Google Classroom. You can use the app for multiple purposes, and I encourage you to explore it more when you have time. Log onto your Google search page and click the waffle grid at the top right screen. Click on the Google Classroom icon and select the class you want to complete the assessment. Click on the classwork page. Next, click the Create button. You'll see several options. Click the Quiz Assignment option. Give your Google Classroom a title. I will title this page Electricity Quiz. You can also provide instructions as necessary. At the bottom, you are going to click the blank quiz forms next to the Google Form icon. Here's a title, the same title I had in Google Classroom, Electricity Quiz. Next, you'll type your questions. The first question I will type is, why is copper wire used by electricians when they create electrical circuits in homes? Now you can type in your answers. My first answer is copper is very expensive to use. Next, I would add another option. Question 2. Copper is an excellent electrical insulator. I can continue to add options for questions 3, 4, 5, and so on, depending on how many answers I want to provide. My third answer is copper is a great electrical conductor. And my fourth answer is copper is the cheapest metal to use. Here's the crucial part. You must select the correct answer. The correct answer is C. Copper is a great electrical conductor. You need to click the answer key, then click the correct answer. I will assign this points. Since it's going to be 10 questions, I will have 10 points per question. Then click Done. You have completed your first answer and questions. Next, I'm going to add another question. Click the plus sign and it says Add Questions. The next question I'm going to type is, when electricity moves through a metal wire, the wire is called. You can click on the drop-down box to select what kind of answers you want. We're going to choose the short answer. We're going to click the answer key. The answer is conductor. We'll click the box that says mark all other answers incorrect. This question is also worth 10 points. I can add more questions by clicking the plus sign or the import questions. I can also add a title description, an image, or video clip. I'm just going to add 8 more questions. Now that I've finished my 10-question quiz, there are various ways to send it to students. The easiest way is to go back to Google Classroom. There I see the quiz, electricity, and the quiz blank form here is already assigned. I can assign points to the quiz or make it ungraded. We're going to make it 100 points. I can add a due date. Let's say the due date is tomorrow, and I can add a time. I can also add a topic that says electricity. Finally, I can assign, schedule, or save a draft for later. I'm going to assign this to the students. Now the students can come to their Google Classroom, click on electricity quiz, take the 10-question quiz and submit, and the teacher will automatically receive their quizzes. I hope you all enjoyed making a quiz in Google Forms and Google Classroom. This is a great way to utilize formative assessment with our students so we can assess where they are in their learning process.